For those of you in the cheap seats, I'd like you to clap your hands to this one. The rest of you can just rattle your jewelry. Later, I went back and looked at it and realized that the walrus was the bad guy in the story and the carpenter was the good guy. I thought, oh, shit. I picked the wrong guy. I should have said, I am the carpenter. But that wouldn't have been the same, would it? I was hip in kindergarten. I was different from the others. I was different all my life. I am hip. You are hip. You are me. And we are all together. See how they run like pigs from a gun. See how they fly. I'm crying. Sitting on a cornflake, waiting for the band to come. Corporation t-shirt, Dip and Bloody Tuesday. Man, you've been a naughty boy. You let your face grow long. I am the Eggman. They are the Eggmen. I am the walrus. You go get your Master City policeman sitting pretty little policeman on the road. See how they fly like Lucy in the sky. See how they run. I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying. Yellow matter of custard dripping from a big dog's eye. Grab a lager fish wife and a graphic mistakes bunny. You're the naughty girl, you let your nipples down. I am the Eggman. They are the Eggmen. I am the walrus. We go get you. Nothing is real. Turn off your mind. Relax and float downstream. Sitting in an English garden waiting for the sun. If the sun don't come, you get the down from standing in the English rain. I am the iMac. They are the PC. I am an apple. Expert joking smokers, don't you think the Joker laughs at you? See how they smile like pigs in the sky. See how they snide. Say Melina Pilchard, climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Elementary penguin singing Hare Krishna. Man, you should have seen them kicking and growling poo. I am the Eggman. We are the Eggmen. I am the walrus. Go get you. I am an apple. Go get you. They go get you. Chuga chuga, chuga chuga. Chuga chuga. Got one, everybody's got one. Give us a kiss. I know they will. A serviceable woman. Smoke pot, everybody smoke pot. Sipping out upon the English party. What does he did? Boba. Oh, untimely death. He dies. Sit you down, father. Rescue. I'd like to say thank you on behalf of the group and ourselves, and I hope we pass the audition. When I went to school, they asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up. I wrote down, happy. They told me I didn't understand the assignment, and I told them they didn't understand life.